Okay, I made this great pixel art. I have some questions ready and I did the first two answers. Now I want to get started with the formatting. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to click on the answer box. I'm going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. Okay, I'm going to choose the color. Let's just say I'm going to start with the purple part of the diagram, right? Now you see it already shaded that box, but I don't only want it to be that box. So do you see I moved that out of the way, this, okay, just so I could see the picture better. I'm going to add another range and I'm going to press Control key and start clicking on some of these purple boxes. And roughly, because based on the picture that I have and the number of questions I wrote, it's going to be about half of the pixels for each color that I want to pick. All right, so again, I'm just going through literally and just clicking random purple pixels and about half of them. Okay, so we'll say that's close enough. We'll say okay. Super important step, and I kept forgetting this. Before you click done, go up to the paint bucket, click reset. Do you see that, how they turned white? Click done. Oh, I forgot to program the answer. That would be silly. So custom formula. So I am in box B4. So $B, $, equals $B, $4 equals, in quotation marks, I need the words epithelial and quotation marks. There we go. Done. Okay. Now do you see how all those boxes are highlighted? So if I just change this answer, I could change it in any way, add an S. Those boxes go away. Now I know which pixels I already did. Okay, so I can go for this next question and let's do format. Conditional formatting is already up, so I'm just ready to add another rule. And let's do this dark blue. Okay, so we'll do this dark blue color. Okay, and I need to add a custom range. Again, slide that out of the way, add another range, press shift, and I'm going to click all of the dark boxes. Okay, so and hold shift. So here's one, these two. Okay, I'm going to pause as I click the rest. Okay, I finally clicked them all, and I'm going to click OK. All right, now again, I need to put in the formula. This is what I forgot to show you. And I need to say equals, now this is B6, so equals $B, $6 equals, in quotation marks, the correct answer, end quotation mark. If you have anything that's wrong, it's going to have red around the box. Did you see I had missed typing the quotation mark in the beginning? Okay, now all of the boxes are highlighted, but remember, before you click done, this is critical, you must go to reset. Okay, reset, and click done. All right, now when I change this answer to anything, those boxes go away. All right, so now I can see where I am in formatting this pixel diagram. So I can then go on to the next color, whatever I want to do. So I have all of these questions. So let's just go through one more. So this is going to be another one that is epithelial. Okay, so let's do the rest of the purple. Okay, so click on the box, add another rule. Let's choose the purple color. And I need to make a custom formula. And I'm in box B8, so equals $B, $8 equals, quotation marks, the right answer. Now, if you're using a number, you don't need the quotation marks. You only need a quotation marks if you're doing a word answer, okay? Now I need to add custom range, slide this out of the way, add another range, and now I need to go through press Control and go through and click all of the remaining purple boxes, okay? Because remember, based on the number of questions I only have enough questions to do 2 per color. All right, so I'm going to pause as I click through the rest of those purple. Okay, as you can see, I just had to zoom in on the picture. It was a lot harder to click exactly versus clicking randomly, so that helps. So now that I have them all selected, I'm going to click OK, right? But again, before I click done, here's where it's vital. Before I click done, I need to go to the bucket and I need to click reset. Then I'm going to click done, okay? If you forget to do that, it causes problems. So let's reset. I don't want to be zoomed in. Well, I guess I'll just leave it. I'll go over. Now here, let's change this answer to with an S, and you can see in the picture now all of the purples, so we'll see if I didn't miss any. Absolutely, all the purples are gone. Okay, and then you would just continue with each question, selecting random pixels, and you could add multiple to the same if you wanted to separate them out to each answer box, but just easier, just do one color at a time for each answer, selecting random pixels. So do you see I still have 5 colors left, plus these blue colors, so I have enough questions to do that. If your picture has less colors, then you're able to select less of each color with each question, or if you have more questions. All right, so that's how you do it. Again, the vital part, remember, before you click done is to go up to the bucket, click reset. Otherwise, it doesn't erase the color from your picture in the beginning. It just leaves your picture as it is. So I learned that the hard way, so don't forget it. Okay.